In this presentation, we'll be focusing our attention on the topic, which is need $10,000 a month to retire? Here's how to do it for the rest of your life. So, find yourself a comfortable seat, get yourself a notepad, put away any distractions, and prepare to be well informed. Before we dive in, do me this one favor. If advertisements should interrupt this video, please do not click off of the advertisements. Please allow them to play through as a thank you to me for bringing you this valuable information. And if this content has provided value, please subscribe to my channel. Now let's continue. The title of this video is What Have Gotten You Here, and I promise you this, if you need $10,000 a month to retire, here you will be given a step-by-step guide how to do it for the rest of your life. Let me ask you something real. Have you ever sat quietly, maybe early in the morning, coffee in hand, and wondered, will I have enough money to truly enjoy my retirement? Or will I spend my golden years worrying about running out? Now, imagine this with me. It's the first morning of your retirement. The alarm clock? It's gone. Your schedule? Yours to design. And into your bank account, like clockwork, $10,000 arrives. Just like that. Month after month. Year after year. For the rest of your life. You don't owe anyone. You're not scrambling. You're not budgeting down to the penny. You've created financial freedom. Not just in theory, but in cash flow. Now here's the truth. That dream? That $10,000 a month? It's not a fantasy. It's a formula. And today, I'm going to walk you through it, step by step. And I promise you that in this episode, we're going to unpack exactly how to create a $10,000 monthly income stream in retirement, and how to keep it flowing for the rest of your life, no matter what the economy, taxes, or inflation decide to do. This is a personal roadmap for people who are ready to retire with confidence, not fear. So, if you're planning to retire soon, or you've already crossed that threshold and want more security, more peace of mind, or simply more cash flow, this is for you. Part 1. Why $10,000 a month? Let's start with the big question. Why 10,000? Now, some people hear that and say, that's too much. Others say, that's not enough. But here's the truth. It's not about the number. It's about what it does for you. $10,000 a month gives you options. It's more than just covering your essentials. It's peace of mind. It's the freedom to travel, to help your kids, to buy time. It's the ability to say yes to life without worrying about every expense. And if you live in a high-cost area, or simply want to maintain the lifestyle you've earned, then $10,000 a month is not luxury. It's a necessity. Part 2. Reverse engineering the goal. Now let's break it down. If you need $10,000 a month, that's $120,000 a year. After taxes, that number might be closer to $150,000 in gross income, depending on how you structure it. And if you're like most retirees, you're not working for that income. You want it to come to you, predictably, automatically, without trading your time. So let's talk about how to generate that income, without going back to work. We're going to explore dividend-paying stocks, real estate cash flow, tax-efficient annuities, retirement accounts and safe withdrawal strategies, passive business income, high-yield savings and bond ladders, Each of these is a piece of the puzzle. You don't need all of them, but you need to understand how to build the right mix. Part 3. The Dividend Income Machine. Let's start with a favorite of high net worth retirees, dividend-paying stocks. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that pay you part of their profits. Think of it as owning a piece of the business and getting a paycheck every quarter just for being an owner. Let's do the math. If you own a $1 million portfolio that yields 4%, you're making $40,000 per year passively. That's $3,333 per month without touching the principal. Now imagine combining high-quality dividend stocks with dividend growth strategies, where the companies not only pay you, but raise their payouts each year. This creates an income stream that fights inflation automatically. Best of all, when held in tax-advantaged accounts, dividend income can be incredibly tax-efficient, especially if you pair it with capital loss harvesting or Roth conversion strategies. This is ideal for those who want income and growth. It's a smart move, but it's only one piece of the income puzzle. Part 4. The Power of Real Estate Income. Now let's move into the real asset world, real estate investing. Imagine owning a portfolio of income-producing properties, small rental homes, duplexes, or even short-term vacation units. With proper management, real estate can generate steady, inflation-protected cash flow. Say you own $2 million worth of rental properties with a net yield of 6%. That's $120,000 a year. Your entire monthly income target covered. And here's the beauty. Real estate income often comes with tax advantages, like depreciation, which can offset your taxable income on paper while keeping the cash in your pocket. Not interested in managing toilets and tenants? That's okay. There are REITs, real estate investment trusts, that pay out rental income as dividends, and even private real estate funds for accredited investors looking for truly passive income. Real estate builds wealth and income simultaneously, and it's one of the few retirement income sources that grows with inflation. Part 5. Guaranteed Income, the Annuity Strategy. Next, let's talk about annuities, a misunderstood but powerful tool in the right hands. Think of an annuity as a private pension. You give an insurance company a lump sum, and they guarantee you a fixed income stream for life. For example, a 65-year-old might invest $500,000 and receive $3,500 per month for life, depending on interest rates and payout options. There's no guesswork, no market volatility, just checks arriving like clockwork. Now, not all annuities are created equal. Some have high fees or inflexible terms. But when structured properly, especially fixed indexed annuities with lifetime income riders, they can be an incredible cornerstone for dependable cash flow. They're ideal for people who want absolute certainty. And in today's world of rising longevity, that guarantee? It matters. Part 6. Safe Withdrawal Strategies. Let's say you've built a nest egg of $2 million, $3 million, maybe more. The question becomes, how do I turn that into income without running out? That's where the safe withdrawal strategy comes in. The old rule said you could withdraw 4% annually and not outlive your money. But with longer lifespans and lower bond yields, we now say, don't go it alone. The goal is to build a withdrawal plan that covers essentials first, accounts for market volatility, minimizes tax drag, keeps your money working while you sleep. This often means withdrawing a combination of dividends, bond interest, and selling appreciated assets, while doing Roth conversions, harvesting tax losses, and using qualified charitable distributions if you're charitably inclined. A well-designed withdrawal plan can produce $10,000 a month while still protecting your principal over decades. Part 7. Business income in retirement. Let's not overlook passive business income. Some retirees generate monthly income by owning parts of profitable businesses without running them. Think silent partnerships in franchises, royalties from intellectual property, or digital income streams like e-commerce stores or licensing deals. These businesses often require upfront capital, but pay off in consistent monthly cash, especially if you have experience or connections in a specific industry. Retirement doesn't have to mean stopping work. It can mean owning the work and letting others run it. Part 8. Tax strategies to protect your income. Now let's talk about a major income killer, taxes. A dollar earned isn't a dollar kept, unless you plan wisely. You want to structure your retirement income to be tax efficient, not just high in gross value. This means using Roth IRAs for tax-free withdrawals, leveraging tax loss harvesting during market downturns, strategically converting traditional retirement accounts to Roth over time, deferring Social Security if it improves your tax bracket, owning municipal bonds for federal tax-free income. The goal isn't just to earn $10,000 a month. It's to keep as much of it in your pocket as possible. Part 9. Bringing it all together. The income pyramid. Let's now put this together. Think of your retirement income as a pyramid. Base layer, guaranteed income. Pensions, Social Security, and annuities. Your foundation covers essential expenses. Middle layer, predictable yield, dividends, bond interest, rental income. Covers your lifestyle. Top layer, growth and flexibility. Stocks, real estate appreciation, business income. This protects against inflation, surprises, and lets you leave a legacy. With the right balance, this structure can deliver $10,000 a month, or more, sustainably. Part 10. Who this plan is best for. So who is this for? If you're over 50 and looking to retire in the next 5 to 10 years. If you've built up savings or equity and want income security. If you're concerned about outliving your money. If you're ready to trade worry for clarity. Then this plan is not only doable, it's designed for you. And no, you don't have to be ultra wealthy. But you do need to be strategic. Closing thoughts. You've spent your life working, saving, building a future. Now it's time to make that future pay you back. $10,000 a month in retirement is not a fantasy. It's the result of smart, layered planning using tools that exist right now. If you take one thing away today, let it be this. Your money should work harder than you ever did. It's time to put it to work. If you found this valuable, subscribe so we can continue sharing income strategies designed to protect your wealth and preserve your peace of mind. Click on the thumbs up button to give us a like and leave a comment below with a question or a concern. Thank you for listening, and remember, Retirement isn't the end of the road. It's the beginning of your freedom.